Alright, numbers 41, 42. Still running, basket 45, 43. Baba sa dalawang kalamangan, 7 minutes and 10 on the game. At pinigil pass sa Sarah, buwan mo. Pagbababa para sa team ng Zulus. Then, buwan ako sa middle. Pass to Mr. Malik. Back on the middle. Then, buwan to Pastor Rivera. Goal kick, nakawala. Rivera, side step. Nice pass na yan. Dalawa, Mr. Rebolo. And a warning for penalty on Pelso Gift White. 14 on the shot clock. In down. Yes, intercepted. Rebolo. It is stopped at 3-1-3. No look pass. Oh, good read. Down. That's substitution. In down. Pass Malik. Ball fake. Drive. Nakawala. And yes, ang traveling Malik. So nice team. Coming from Mr. Estacio. Nice team. Coming from Mr. Estacio. Yes. In down. Back to Mr. Estacio. Yes. 15 on the shot clock. Bounce pass, White open. Rebound! Estacio with the save and the recover. 47 on deadlock tayo. Napakabigat ng laban. No foul sa game of team ng White. And his changes in number 2. Pera pa rin. Dati Vizcaga this possession. Shot clock, 15 seconds. Screen by Magari. Pera nakawala na naman. Pull up J. Short 3 down. Pero Beros tayo. Table 14 seconds shot clock. Running it in down, pass, Rebolo mo, pass, napitawan, kaya Estacio is still na naman, Mr. Kanya, warning for grabbing penalty. Penalty na yun. Ready numbers on the white versus Tina Poseidon, 14 exactly, 15 on the shot clock. Rivera, isolation, one to my painful screen by Gutierrez, nakawala na naman, pasa sa ilalim na sa dagang 8 second shot clock. Pass, Money, Gagawin ko sa Roboto. Roboto magibangan. One by Bonson. Three by Madani. Roboto. Ryan. Pakaliwa. May pass. Pass. Awa wala. Rebound. Rebound. Bonson. Contra Gutierrez. And the back to Mr. Pinion. Isa para ng kalamangan. Back to nurse number 6. Pass. Estacio. There's a whistle. On this Rivera jersey number 2. Third personal foul. Foul ko na rin yan. Third personal foul. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Third personal foul. Third team foul.
Ang bintangan ko pala ba? 7% na yun. 1 game yung mamaya. Ba na sa rating yun. Ay, gano'n. Ito yung po tao.
Dito, parehas mo pasok lang, parehas mo pasok din. Yan ang infield. Reboto, atak para sa team ng Zeus Rivera. 15 on the shot clock. Last 2 minutes. 12 second shot clock. Rivera pa pati na 8-second shot clock, screen by Gutierrez. Iwan ang depensa. Rivera step back. Practice on Murray. In and out. And a rebound to jersey number 9.
Maputi, sir. Lamang namin.
Sonado na tatanggap. At magbababa ng bola. Pass is to me. Ganya na yun. Ganya Page. Ganya dribble the ball. Snap it. Cardboard. Shot pa kayo. Rebound sa ilan. And there's the whistle. And a bell. Kinamaan na kasanda. Bell. Jersey number 9 man. Lead ng rebound. Hindi makagad. Kasarad. Wait pa isa. To Mr. Malik. Second row. No good. Rebound. Then naman. Pass. Number 9 being more. Wilson. Found by Here's the next basket. Rebound, rebound, pop, 1 minute and 30, isa lang ang kalabangan. Defense na Rivera. Ang nakawa ng bola. Screen, Rivera na naman. Pasang second, number 3, Kunanan. Looking for his teammate. Kunanan now, watatawid. 3-on-3 situation. Nagmamadali. Trap pass. Good, really 51 minutes and 14 seconds. Nagdawang kalabangan. Rivera now. Screen, sumayaw. Looking for his teammates. Not just after. Ten on the shot clock. Rebota. Drive. But there's a whistle. Penalty left. Foul number 15. Foul na kanila. Pares penalty. Pares penalty. 53 seconds game lang. Mr. Ganya, 4. Warren McGrawley. Second try. Wala pa na na. Good for one. With an hour. 53 seconds. Dalawang kalawakan. At team. Down to sideline. Mr. Kunanan. May kapit na may chance. Kunanan na. Atake. Iverson. Napitawan. Dana now. Patatayin na shot clock. 12 seconds. Pino. Stop it. Fires. Shot and goal. Arubas. Mamawa na. 37 seconds. Game clock. Para walang. Ang alamangan. 37 seconds. Gutierrez. Back to the in-manager. Practice to me. 51 pa din ang 51. Pass. Drive. Rivera. Pass is Dema. Pass na wala. Wala. 21 seconds. Wala na shot clock. 21 seconds. 21 seconds game clock. Wala na shot clock. Pass to number 3. Whistle, penalty, foul on number 17. Is there nangyari? As our personal foul penalty. Free throw, Mr. Kunanan, here's number 3. Parang, namilag. Right. 19 seconds game clock. May time magkawin dalawa. Basket, no? Yung pangalawa. Seconds game clock, ha? Seven drive. Wala. the world team. Half court. Front court. 14 seconds shot clock. 14 seconds shot clock now. Difference ng 5.9 seconds. Remaining ka ng 5.9 seconds. 14 on the shot clock again. Magbabasa yan ng point. Valari. Magbabasa ng 5 seconds yan. Valari on the ball. 9 seconds hit clock. Number 2, Rivera. 12 seconds shot clock. Side step. Pass. 10 on the shot clock. Napitawan. Estacio. And there's the whistle. Papilit ang Miguel. 11 seconds. Game clock ng Miguel na unang bump. 11 seconds. Game clock. 11 seconds. Patay na ang shot clock. Wait for the buzzer. Let's see. The tackle play. Bounce pass sa ilalim. Easy 2 points. 8 seconds. Pass this to me. Isa lang. Whistle. 5.9 seconds. Isa lang yan. 5.9 seconds. Foul number 23. Nag-walk up third personal foul. Basket na lang kami yan. Meron pa isa.
Ano score rep?
53-54. Labang ako sa...
First time pasok. Let's see the second try. 5.9 seconds. Wait for the buzzer. Basket. Second try. Basket. Balik sa tatlo. Ang kalamangan. 5.9 seconds na lang na natitira. Sa ating final quarter, tignan natin ang magiging play ng Tita Zeus. Napakaganda laban. Seconds on the game clock. Tignan natin. Seconds. Let's see. Passes to Ethan. And in the water. Kanina ba? Ay, nakatapang nata. Seconds na 4.8 seconds. Tingnan natin kung masusundukan. Here's